Kamal Haasan, a biography. Full name, Parthasarathi Srinivasan. Popular name, Kamal Haasan. Date of birth, November 7, 1954. Place of birth, Paramikudi, Tamil Nadu, India. Profession, actor, filmmaker, screenwriter, producer, playback singer, politician. Early life. Kamal Haasan was born into a Tamil Iyengar family in Paramikudi, Tamil Nadu. His father, D. Srinivasan, was a lawyer, and his mother, Rajalakshmi, was a homemaker. Kamal was the youngest of 4 siblings and showed an early interest in arts and cinema. His family moved to Chennai, then Madras, where his talents were nurtured. Entry into cinema. Kamal began his career as a child artist at the age of 6 in the Tamil film Kalathur Kannamma, 1960, for which he won the President's Gold Medal. This marked the beginning of an illustrious career spanning over 6 decades. Acting career. Known for his versatility, Kamal Haasan has acted in over 230 films across Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Bengali, and Malayalam. He is recognized for his dedication to method acting and for bringing depth and realism to his roles. Some of his most iconic films include Tamil, Moonram Pirai, 1982, Naikan, 1987, Devar Magan, 1992, Indian, 1996, and Vikram, 2022. Hindi, Ek Duje Ke Liye, 1981, Sagar, 1985, and Chachi 420, 1997. Kamal is also celebrated for his experimental roles in films like Apurva Sagodharargal, 1989, where he played a dwarf, and Dashavataram, 2008, where he portrayed 10 different characters. Filmmaking and innovation. In addition to acting, Kamal is a visionary filmmaker. His directorial ventures, such as Hey Ram, 2000, and Vishwarupam, 2013, showcase his brilliance in storytelling and technical innovation. He has been instrumental in introducing advanced filmmaking techniques and breaking new ground in Indian cinema. Awards and recognitions. Kamal Haasan has received numerous accolades, including National Film Awards, 4, Best Actor. Filmfare Awards, 19 across various languages. Padma Shri, 1990. Padma Bhushan, 2014. He has also been honored with international awards and was the first Indian actor to receive the prestigious Chevalier de l'Ordre des Arts et des Lettres, Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters, from the French government. Political career. In 2018, Kamal Haasan entered politics, founding the party Makkal Nidhi Mayam, MNM. The party aims to focus on corruption-free governance, education reform, and environmental protection. Kamal's transition to politics reflects his commitment to social and political change in Tamil Nadu and India. Personal life. Kamal Haasan has been married twice, first to dancer Vani Ganpati and later to actress Sarika, with whom he has 2 daughters, Shruti Haasan and Akshara Haasan, both of whom are involved in the film industry. Kamal is known for his secular and progressive outlook, often engaging in discussions about culture, rationalism, and humanitarian values. Legacy. Kamal Haasan is widely regarded as one of the greatest actors in Indian cinema. His contributions go beyond entertainment, influencing art, culture, and society. A pioneer and perfectionist, Kamal's work continues to inspire millions, making him a true legend in Indian cinema.